A cyclist covers 900 meters in 5 minutes. What is his average speed in kilometers per hour? This is a multiple choice question, and so you solve the question, and after that you pick the correct option. The distance covered by the cyclist is 900 meters, and the time it used to cover this distance is 5 minutes. The question wants us to find the average speed in kilometers per hour. To do that, we will need the distance in kilometers and the time in hours. We know that average speed is equal to distance divided by time. To get the average speed in kilometers per hour, we will have to convert 900 meters to kilometers and 5 minutes to hours. Let's do that. We know that the rate of conversion between meters and kilometers is 1000 meters is equal to 1 kilometer. If 1000 meters gives us 1 kilometer, 900 meters, will it give us more or less? As you can clearly see, if 1000 meters is giving us 1 kilometer, 900 meters will obviously give us less. If less, more divide. So 1000 meters will be the denominator and 900 meters will be the numerator. So you have 900 meters divided by 1000 meters times 1 kilometer. Meters and meters will cancel. 900 divided by 1000 times 1 kilometer will give us 0.9 kilometers. So when we convert 900 meters to kilometers, we are going to have 0.9 kilometers. Let's look at the time. We are converting from minutes to hours. The rate of conversion between minutes and hours is 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. If 60 minutes is giving us 1 hour, 5 minutes, will it be more than 1 hour or less than 1 hour? It will obviously be less than 1 hour. If less, more divide. So it means that 60 minutes will be the denominator and 5 minutes will be the numerator. So you have 5 minutes divided by 60 minutes times 1 hour. Minutes and minutes will cancel, and so you have 5 divided by 60 times 1 hour, and this will give us 1 divided by 12 hours. So we now have the distance in kilometers and the time in hours. So the average speed will be equal to the distance, which is 0.9 kilometers, divided by the time, which is 1 divided by 12 hours. 0.9 divided by 1 divided by 12 will give us 10.8. The unit will be kilometers per hour. So it means that the average speed of the cyclist is 10.8 kilometers per hour. When we look through the options, we can see that the correct option is A, 10.8.